Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Logitech G29 has been acting weird, pulling to one side, or just refusing to stay centered, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to reset and recalibrate your G29 so it feels brand new again. It's quick, it's simple, and it fixes most alignment issues instantly. Let's jump right in. Start of the guide. First things first. We need to completely power down the wheel. Turn off your PC or console and then unplug the G29's USB cable. This step ensures the wheel is fully off and prevents any firmware bugs from interfering with the reset. Next, we're going to locate the two buttons required for the reset sequence. On the left side of the wheel, find the left stick button, often labeled LSB or L3 depending on your platform. On the right side, locate the right stick button or RSB/R3. These two buttons are the key to getting your G29 back to perfect alignment. Now for the actual reset. Press and hold both the left stick and right stick buttons at the same time. While still holding them down, reconnect the USB cable to your PC or console. Do not let go yet. The wheel needs to receive power while these buttons are being held. As the wheel starts powering up, you'll see it automatically perform a left to right sweep. This motion means the calibration routine has kicked in. Once you see the wheel moving on its own, that's your cue to release both buttons. Your G29 is now fully reset. Before jumping into your game, give the wheel a quick test. Turn it left, right, and back to center. Load up your favorite racing title and confirm everything responds properly. And that's it. Your Logitech G29 should now feel smooth, centered, and ready for racing again. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes and gaming gear guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.